Hi folks, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how easily you can get up and running with NGINX and Zend Server 6. Just point your browser at Zend.com, select the Products tab, choose Zend Server, select Download Zend Server. Notice the download page takes me to a highlighted window for the operating system that I'm currently running on. In this case, happens to be Linux, which is required by NGINX and Zend Server. Go ahead and click on the tar file to download the installer script. That'll take just a second for the request to complete. Notice we got the thank you page. So I can then go over to my downloads folder, grab the installer script compressed file. I'll go ahead and decompress that. Now, just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to rename this to be Zend Server install, and I'm going to drop that in my home directory so I can run it from there. You don't have to do that, I just do it for simplicity's sake. So now you can see that we have the Zend Server install folder here in my home directory. So let's navigate to that folder. And you'll notice that the installer script that I'm going to run is install_zs.sh. I'm going to need root privileges in order to do that. And there are two arguments that I want to provide the installer. One is the version of PHP that I want to be installed, and the other is simply to specify that I want to use NGINX instead of Apache. I'll say go ahead, yes, complete. Now this will take several minutes. It's going to download all of the dependencies from the various repositories and begin configuration. So I'm going to take a pause here in the video while all those downloads happen, and once they've completed, I'll pop back and we'll complete the install. Now it's done the calculations and tells me what it will need, so I'll go ahead and give it permission to consume that amount of disk space. Take a few more minutes here, so we'll take another brief pause. So you can see here all of those scripted gets have completed. How long that takes, of course, will be totally dependent on the available bandwidth for your machine. Now it's started to do pre-configuration and unpacking. Again, all of this is automated. It's all part of the script. It hasn't required any specific user interactions on my part. So this will continue. As you can see here, it's unpacking now all the packages that were downloaded. So we'll take a quick pause and come back after that's completed. And a brief check-in here. You'll notice that we've made some progress. And again, this is all scripted. I'm just pausing and restarting so that you don't have to watch as things download and install. But you'll notice here that at this point, NGINX has been installed and configured, and now Zend Server is being installed and configured. While Zend Server is being configured, if we want to go test that, we can hop over and say localhost. And it tells us welcome to NGINX. So NGINX has been successfully installed. Let's check back out here. So Zend Server has been installed. It's not running while it's configuring or upgrading Zend databases. So that'll take just a second. Again, all automated. I'll hop back as soon as that completes. And here you can see that the install script has finished running. So we can go back to our browser. We can type in localhost and the port number 10081, followed by Zend Server. Should redirect there automatically. And here I am in the Zend Server configuration screen, which you've probably seen before. So just go ahead and provide some values for our various accounts. Setting up Zend Framework 2, the Zend Gateway. And we're ready to go. Zend Server will churn away to create the accounts for the configuration data that I just provided. This takes a couple seconds. And here we are in the dashboard, ready to go. And that's it. That's all it takes to get up and running with NGINX and Zend Server 6.1.